Progreso, Mexico, y'all. We are here at Progreso, Mexico. Let me turn you around. Yeah, you're gonna be looking in the sun at times, so sorry about the video here. Here is the Carnival breeze. We just stepped off the ship right there. But when we were here last, this was a tender port. So it's all new to us. So let's go check it out.
We'll go down there, please.
Duty free and more. Let's go see what all is in here. Looks like you have excursions when you enter the port area. Progreso. Some more excursion area over here. Yucatan.
Hi, you want to try?
Nothing.
Come on.
I'm good.
Duty free and tax free area, y'all. You have to walk through here first.
It's too early for me to be drinking.
Piranha Joe over there. Little restaurant bar right here. This is kind of like a one-stop shop. All right, we have reached the end of the actual shopping here at the port. From here, you have to take a bus all the way to the city. There's actually one more little shop here, y'all, if you turn left and go through. Huh, yep. Mexican Fiesta. Might go see if I can grab me a Coke. So right here is where we ended the tour, and this information booth. And this is where you get on the shuttle bus. We're gonna go into the city of Progreso. Let's go check it out.
My name is Larry.
Larry and...
Kimberly.
All right, you're gonna subscribe?
Yes, I will.
All right, they said they're gonna subscribe. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Every 30 minutes, the buses are going to be here to return to the cruise ship. The last one will be 1 hour before the ship leaves. When you come back, don't forget your Carnival ID. Show you to the bus driver. We need to know who's coming back. Sounds good? Yes, but don't be afraid. Here is a good place to walk the main street or to do something. Sorry.
Thank you. All right.
You think you can get right back on, or?
Just looking. Just looking.
Can I do 2 of these for $6? The small ones? Would that be okay? I gotta get one for my granddaughter too.
$10 for to round trip to Meridia, the main city.
Another option that I have for you is the upper bus sizing downtown. 45 minutes, $10. We're just gonna walk,
Yeah, we're just gonna walk around and shop.
catch the bus back. All right. Thank you. No problem.
They're still kind of setting up a little bit. Hats.
Not too much.
This is why Papa's got 1,000 of them.
No, thank you.
That's why Papa has 1,000 of them.
Yeah. Maybe a restaurant in there. Hello.
Maybe something.
The hammock, a nice wood-carving lady guy, a nice Mayan art. That's all handmade. I got that.
That's the real stuff.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Stop saying it wrong.
Hello, you want a Yetis Stanley? I have bags, jewelry, bracelet, pure vanilla. You want a different color on this one?
Hammocks.
Let me show you my shopping bag. Want a hammock?
How much are the hammocks?
Shopping bag? This one regular price is 30.
30.
Yes.
Is that the only two colors?
Yes.
Red and blue?
Which one color do you like?
Well, we'll probably get it on our way back. Way back in.
25 for this. 25. Spider-Man.
For the red or blue, either one?
The blue is nice.
15 back.
Stole my thunder.
Yeah. He stole your thunder? You were supposed to do that?
He didn't want it.
I didn't say that.
And then he...
So we bought two shirts. 2 for 25 right here. These are the ones that change colors in the sun.
And then these ones can color at night.
At night they change color? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah,
I didn't know they did that.
But
Huh. All right, Tonya, what'd you get?
I got a hammock.
How much?
Well, you'll have to come here and make your own deal.
Make your own deal. All right. Fair enough.
Yeah.
Ah, Coke in Mexico. Yummy. All right, y'all. We're back on the bus, heading back to the ship. We'll see you next time, Progreso. We just got off the bus. That is about, I would say, a 7 to 8 minute trip. That's about how long it takes. I Googled it while we were on the bus. It says this pier is the longest pier in the world. And that's what the info lady here said as well. And then it says it's 8 kilometers. So when I translate all that, it's about 4.9 miles long. So that's why it takes 8 minutes, because they're not doing 60 miles an hour, obviously. Probably the fastest they ever went was maybe 40 miles an hour. I would say if you have a very sensitive back, like very painful back, there are a couple of bumpy spots when you get off of the pier into the city area. There's like cobblestone road and it gets really bumpy. But if your back's not too bad, you can handle this drive over there pretty easily. We had a great time. Hopefully you guys will check out the rest of our videos, and we'll see you back on the ship here in a minute.